Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about data types, part of programming in C course. In C programming language, data types are used to define the type of data that a variable can store. The following are some of the commonly used data types in C. Int, used to store integers, that is whole numbers. Char, used to store single character. Float, used to store decimal numbers. Double is used to store large decimal numbers. Short is used to store short integers. Long is used to store long integers. Void is used to indicate that a function does not return a value. Enum is used to define a set of named integer constants. Typedef is used to give an alternative name to an existing data type. Each of these data types have a specific storage size and range of values. For example, an int data type typically uses 4 bytes of memory. It is important to choose the appropriate data type for your variables to ensure that your program uses memory efficiently and avoids overflow or underflow errors. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.